This is such an amazing night.
Exhilarating.
Well, this is printed in my mind forever and ever. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the help of so many people, and I mean so many people. But before we go into saying our thank yous, dahil it's still the month of May, birth month mo pa din. So, syempre, batiin naman natin ang ating birthday boy. Humabol ka, oh.
Humabol ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ayun.
Should I make a wish? Or...
Sure, of course. Cake mo yan eh. Go, make a wish. Whatever you wish.
Ay, nandito pala yung na-wish ko.
Maliit na bagay. Naku, nawala yan.
Lagi yung magaganyan pag may cake. Every birthday, I'm just gonna say that.
Ayan, so, belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ay, kiss, wag mo ganun. Ang programang ito ay rated PG. I'm very proud of you, proud of the man you are becoming. You know, I always want what's best for you. I'm very thankful for your existence. If I don't say that enough, thank you. Oh my God, sobrang tibay mo. Like, super galing mo as a person. Kasi may mga kaibigan kami, lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, Alexa, swerte mo kay KD.
Maswerte ako sa'yo.
And then, tanggapin mo na, hindi to contest. Swerte ako sa'yo.
Hindi, competitive ako.
And then, ayun, I'm just so thankful and ang saya na unti-unti kong natutupad yung dreams ko, tapos may bonus pa na ikaw nakasama. So, I hope that we can continue doing life like this.
Yes, we will. Forever and ever.
Okay. Ayun, you wanna say something?
Yeah, gusto ko po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat. Everybody in Music Museum right now, and everybody online. Thank you so much for the birthday greetings. And, grabe, I didn't ask for any gift kasi kayo, sapat na kayo. And ikaw, just my partner, not only in work, pero in my personal life din. We always share moments together, and I'm happy. I'm not gonna say that. But, yes, thank you, Alexa, for always being there, and thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for the support and love.
And since you're already thanking the people you want, segue na rin ako. So, everyone, gusto namin pasalamatan ang aming mahusay, sobrang husay na banda. Starting off with our musical director, Chuck Hossa.
Palakpakan naman natin. And on bass, we have Roman de la Cruz. Palakpakan natin.
Yes! On second keyboard, we have Naldi Rodriguez. Yay!
And of course, on guitar, si Kuya Jano Guayquay.
And of course, we have our backup singers also. Sobrang big help. Thank you so much for singing with us. We have Mike Luis and Faye Yupano.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank you. Please, everyone, we need a louder round of applause for our please. They are the geniuses behind this concert. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. We are very lucky because since this is our first concert, inalagaan kami ng mga taong kasama namin and hindi na kami pinabayaan. They really helped us prepare for this night. So again, maraming salamat po. Wait a minute! Okay, and may I continue my thanks? Sorry, sobrang haba. Ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan, syempre. First of all, where's Derek? Derek John?
Direk John.
Direk John,
Thank
you so much. Direk John, Sir Riley, Mama Bear, Miss Liza, for
Si Mama Chini.
Mama Chini. Sobrang kong na-appreciate because they really got to know us. Got to know me and KD, kung sino may bilang tao. Hindi sila basta-basta nagpa-produce ng concert lang na kahit ano na lang,
Nag-bonding pa
anything
tayo.
Nag-bonding kami.
Nag-bonding kami.
So they really got to know us, and that's why this feels so intimate, and that's why this feels so genuine,
Yes.
feels so real. Thank you so much. To the people working sa tech, thank you mga kuya for making us
Thank
sound
you.
great. Tech riders, everyone. Teacher Anne,
Yes.
our voice
Voice coach.
coach, na talagang tinututukan din kami. Thank you so much. Oh my God, there's so many more.
Of course, our sponsors.
Yes, of course, our sponsors. First of all, Ma'am Ana Magkawas, Lux Slim.
Slim.
Thank you so much naman for your support. Are you here tonight? Huh?
Huh?
But yeah, I mean, whether you are here or not, your support means the world to me. And of course, yeah.
Metro Photo and for brands Balay Suba and Fernando's Bake Shop. And of course, he did my suits. Si Sir Francis Libiran. Thank you so much. And of course, si Miss Ana Magkawas, extraordinary. And of course, yung glam teams natin.
Akin na to.
Sige na to.
Ayan, so I would also like to thank my glam team, syempre. Patty Yap and the designers, Rika Siena, Fatima Beltran, Mama Jake Galvez, Justin Ocampo, Extraordinary for my nails. Uy guys, sobrang pinaghandaan ko to, promise. Pati yung kuko ko, kung pwede nakikita mo.
Pa-tight shot naman po dito.
It deserves a tight shot. Isn't that gorgeous? So ayan, maraming salamat sa aming special guest, syempre.
Yes. Of course, yung guest ko po na si Kuya Bugoy Drilon and si
Ate Yang Constantino, maraming salamat. Sobrang thank you. And of course, how could we forget on drums? Sir Oden Concepcion. Uy, paano naman natin nakalimutan?
Sorry.
Ay,
Nalipas.
malabo ang mata. Sorry po.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Salamat din sa ABS-CBN Studios, Sir Carlo, Tita Cory, Sir Mark, Star Magic Family, si Direk Lauren,
Direk Lauren!
and all our handlers, Mama Joy, Ate DJ, RMs, and of course our RMs, Ate Casey, and Ate Vanessa, ABS-CBN Music Family, Sir
And
Roxy,
si Kuya
Sir
Rick
Jonathan,
Andito.
Sir Rox, of course our PPP family din.
Yes, our PPP family, our ASAP family,
Dreamscape
our
family.
Dreamscape family, and our
Our
PPP
PPP
family.
family. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. And thank you sa boss, our
Boss.
dancers, you the boss. Kuya Reden, Teacher Anna, of course, and to our Add to Heart family, again, sila Sir Riley, sila Mama Bear, Direk John, everyone, sa lahat ng staff, sa lahat ng bumubuo nito, sa lahat ng glam teams namin ni
Yes.
Katie, just to everyone who gave their heart and their soul to make this concert what it is. Maraming salamat. Also to the programs who allowed us to promote.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa TV
TV
Patrol,
Wish Boss,
One Balita, Eat Bulaga, Good Morning Kapatid, ASAP, It's Showtime, and Kapamilya Siya.
And
And-
all the press and the media for wonderful write-ups. Thank you so much. And to all our family and friends and all of course, syempre kayo, Sweethearts and Solid fans. Thank you.
Yes, ito, wait lang. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta thank you lang to.
Yes.
Ito, maraming salamat. Alam ko na surprise kayo nung nag-announce kami na magkakaroon ng concert, and we are so thankful dahil yung response nyo ay napaka-warm. Imbis na kaba yung maramdaman namin ni KD, nakampante kami kasi alam namin na pupunta kayo, susuportahan nyo kami, kahit 1 million times na kaming nakita at napanood, hindi kayo nagsasawa.
Di ba kayo nagsasawa sa mukha namin?
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Totoo yun, guys. Totoo yun. Totoo po yun. Araw-araw siyang umabsent para sa amin.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the sweethearts who are here tonight. To all our solid fans. To all my solid Alexas.
Of course, my solid
wherever you
KDs.
are
Thank you so much, babe.
To all the solid KDs.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Cute, may pa-banner.
Oh, may banner. Thank
Parang
you.
graduation mo.
Graduation.
Cute. Ayan, and syempre hindi lang yung mga nandito, kundi pati yung mga team abroad, mga
Yes.
nag-donate, mga nag-ayos, lahat. Saan? Tita Nolly, everyone,
Tita Nolly,
kiss.
thank you.
KDLX International Sweethearts, everyone, each and every sweetheart. Team Bahay, kung wala ka sa abroad, kung nasa bahay ka ngayon, thank you because we still feel your presence here with us tonight, and this still wouldn't be possible without you for making this trend, for all the efforts that you do, and maraming salamat sa lahat. I hope I didn't forget anyone. I hope I didn't forget anyone. But please know from the bottom of our hearts, we are so, what are we?
Grateful.
We are so grateful.
And blessed to have you guys.
We are so honored na sa lahat ng artistang napapanood nyo at pwede nyo supportahan, kami ang pinili nyo. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much for being here. We love you.
Thank you so much. And
we love you and bye-bye.
good night. Bye-bye.